This is the snow moon. It was completely 100% full yesterday during the day, but we're still seeing that big bright full moon with our clear skies this morning, making for quite the view. Now looking off toward the sunrise, we're already starting to see the first rays of light as well, not just that full moon. So we're going to see lots of sunshine as the sun starts to come up this morning. We do have some areas of patchy fog to watch out for, mostly near Alice and toward Beeville. That's where some of the dense fog is this morning. Otherwise, clear skies, cool start, temperatures in the 50s. We're going to get up to 58 degrees by 8 a.m., 70s this afternoon. Winds picking up. We'll see some fairly strong winds sustained around 20 miles per hour, and then those gusts will be closer to 30 miles per hour. At 4 p.m., temperatures nearing 80 with that south-southeast wind in place, and a few passing clouds building, kind of those fair weather stratocumulus clouds developing across the region as we head into the afternoon. 80 degrees, your high in Corpus Christi, Robstown, Orange Grove, 81 through Alice and Kingsville. Will be in the low to mid 70s there across the Gulf Coast. Temperatures go on a roller coaster ride this week. If you haven't already heard, we do have another cold front on the way. Not quite as cold as the last one, but I think we will see temperatures fall into the low 60s. Overall model trends have been cooler, and we'll continue to likely see that as the high-res models come out the next few days. But there's going to be a warm-up Thursday with sunshine, and then another reinforcing cold front, it looks like, moving through as we head into Friday. Now, we do see a chance of rain, mostly just isolated on Tuesday, some widely scattered showers, a very low chance of a thunderstorm, mostly Wednesday morning. So rainfall totals close to 1/4 of an inch. Areas to the north may see a little more, areas to the south a little less, but nonetheless, most of that rainfall is going to be across East Texas this go around. So listen closely. This is everything you need to know about the next cold front coming up. Ahead of the front, we're breezy, warm, and humid. We're going to continue to see those strong south-southeast winds as we head into Tuesday. But Tuesday is when we see that isolated shower chance. We'll see a few more clouds out there, some breaks as we head throughout the day, but again, isolated showers possible even at lunch hour on Tuesday. Very isolated, very light rainfall. Then as the cold front approaches Wednesday morning, we see a better opportunity for some rain, mostly right along the front, some thunderstorms up toward Houston, and then behind the front, we dry conditions out. We're still cloudy though, with a northwest wind about 17 miles per hour, so some breezy offshore activity behind the front. Then Thursday, light and variable winds, switching things back up before we see another cold front move through and reinforcing that drier and cooler air. So dew points are going to react to that. Wednesday's the day of change. We'll start off rather muggy, then conditions will quickly dry out. Tuesday looks dry. Friday, very dry. Keep that in mind. We pair that dry air with some strong wind gusts out of the north, and we could be dealing with some high fire danger on Friday. So keep that in mind. Friday looks like a high fire danger. Otherwise, we are going to be rather breezy today, tomorrow, Wednesday, light wind on Thursday. And then we see high winds again heading into Friday. Waves are going to react to the changing weather as well, picking up Tuesday, falling again on Thursday, back up on Friday, lower on Saturday. So everything's kind of going on a roller coaster ride this week. As far as your marine forecast goes, those winds will be out of the south, 10 to 25 knots, choppy to rough conditions, with a small craft advisory in place for Baffin Bay and Gulf waters. And your 7-day forecast, those temperatures up and down. Cold front Tuesday, best chance of rain. Tuesday, isolated. Wednesday, early in the morning. Then we see cooler, dry air in the second half of the week. John.